To resolve declined transactions on your Standard Chartered credit card, follow these steps. First, understand that a declined transaction occurs when your credit card is not accepted by the merchant or online retailer. This can be due to various reasons such as insufficient funds, exceeded credit limit, or incorrect card details. Step 1. Check your credit card details. Ensure that the card number, expiration date, and security code are correct. Also, verify that your name and address match the ones registered with Standard Chartered. If you are using the card online, make sure you are entering the correct details in the required fields. Step 2. Check your available credit limit. If you have exceeded your credit limit, you will need to make a payment to bring your balance below the limit. You can check your available credit limit by logging into your Standard Chartered online banking account or by contacting their customer service. Step 3. Check for any pending transactions. If you have any pending transactions, they may be holding up your available credit limit. Pending transactions can take a few days to clear, so try again after the pending transactions have been processed. Step 4. Contact the merchant. If the issue is with the merchant, contact them to see if they can assist you with the transaction. They may be able to provide more information on why the transaction was declined. Step 5. Contact Standard Chartered customer service. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact Standard Chartered customer service. They will be able to provide you with more information on why the transaction was declined and assist you in resolving the issue. Have your credit card details and transaction information ready when you contact them. To avoid declined transactions in the future, make sure to regularly check your credit card statement and available credit limit. Also, keep your contact information up to date with Standard Chartered so they can reach you if there are any issues with your account. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily resolve declined transactions on your Standard Chartered credit card and avoid any inconvenience in the future.